Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Mediterranean Dash Diet Cookbook currently available. If you're looking to enhance your culinary skills and embrace a healthier lifestyle, this is the video for you. This cookbook, titled The Essential Mediterranean Diet Cookbook for Beginners 2024, authored by Kimberly N. Bains, promises over 2,000 days of wholesome Mediterranean recipes. It's not just a cookbook but a comprehensive guide designed for beginners, featuring stress-free 30-day meal plans. Before we delve into the details, let's understand why the Mediterranean diet is highly regarded. It's renowned for its health benefits and delightful flavors, incorporating nutritious ingredients and simple cooking techniques. The book offers a variety of recipes ranging from zesty appetizers and refreshing salads to hearty mains and delectable desserts. Each recipe is crafted for quick preparation, ensuring you enjoy the process of cooking with fresh, wholesome ingredients. One standout feature is the included 30-day meal plan, which eliminates the hassle of meal planning. It seamlessly integrates Mediterranean diet principles into your daily routine, promoting balanced and delicious meals. Whether you're new to cooking or simply looking to explore Mediterranean cuisine, this cookbook is a fantastic choice. That wraps up our review of the best Mediterranean Dash Diet Cookbook. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this on Product Critique. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.